Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lion's Mane coffee. First, gather your ingredients. Lion's Mane mushroom is known for its potential to support brain health and focus, making it a popular addition to coffee. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to brewing and customizing your perfect cup. Get ready to elevate your morning routine with this beneficial beverage. To start, you'll need your favorite coffee, whether it's ground or whole beans. The star ingredient is Lion's Mane mushroom powder. Typically, 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup is a good starting point. For a creamier texture or added flavor, consider milk, a sweetener like honey, or spices such as cinnamon. Some people also like to add healthy fats like MCT oil for an extra boost. Now, let's brew. Prepare your coffee as you normally would, whether it's drip, French press, or pour over. Once brewed, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Lion's Mane powder directly into your cup. Stir it well to ensure the powder fully dissolves and there are no clumps. This creates a smooth, integrated drink. Feel free to adjust any sweeteners or milk to achieve your desired taste and consistency. The beauty of Lion's Mane coffee is its versatility. Don't hesitate to experiment with various coffee roasts or even add a pinch of cinnamon or cacao powder for an extra layer of flavor. For a luxurious, frothy texture, use a handheld frother. Enjoy your customized Lion's Mane coffee daily to potentially experience its full benefits. It's a simple, delicious way to support your well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.